the point one. No red light. No red light.
It's on the green, not on the red.
What happened there, Brooks?
No, that's legit. You got me, buddy. That was good, man.
After five times?
5 times.
Well, I think
Like 10 times.
that was the best race, but I think if we add them up, we might be even.
Yeah.
You red lighted worse the first time, second time, third time.
Actually, the last one before this, my reaction was really, really good.
I know, I saw it, 0.003, amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, no,
I
you
never
hit
did
it.
that before.
Yeah, no, that was, you're a dude, you're a good driver.
Yeah.
No, no quite, I got nothing to say, but holy shit.
That's a fast BMW.
Good job, dude.
Thank you, man.
Good job. All right, so that's a wrap with the Lamborghini Huracan against the BMW M5 from JanLife. Super close races. Basically, whoever got the jump or didn't red light pretty much won the race. However, it felt like the BMW had a little more pull on the top end against the Lamborghini. If we had kept going to a half mile, it might have continued to pull away until maybe some of that aero kicked in. Nevertheless, they were great races. I'm going to leave you with another BMW M5 from a buddy of mine, Shay. This car is running low 10s at 135 miles an hour with just a tune and some race gas. So it seems like there's a lot more potential with these cars. Maybe we'll be seeing these BMWs in the 9s pretty soon. Again, super impressive. Looking forward to see the potential of these cars coming up. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the footage.